Come on this side because you're blocking the greenhouse. It's been snowing for 24 hours. More than 24 hours.
Yeah, it's not stopping.
It's not stopping.
It's a lot of snow. More snow than we've got at one time since we lived here.
Yeah. It's insane. We have to plow and shovel and hope that the weight of the snow doesn't take the power lines down, which James already witnessed today in town. Where are we going to start? The driveway?
Start in the driveway, and we're going to try to do the crown land bit so Clyde can walk.
Oh, yeah.
Short-legged. You can't even see him. He's probably buried in the snow somewhere.
Oh, there he is. Clyde! He's heading back to the house. Okay, wish us luck. I just walked under a tree and I'm covered in snow. Wow. This is crazy.
Are you going to guess? Joji.
Okay, what is it that you want me to do here?
I want you to measure how much snow we got.
Oh, on the roof.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're doing on your mom.
Oh, I love you.
Jojo
I love you.
is one with snow.
I love you. I love you. Ooh, she's gonna shake. Okay.
Happy day, Joj. Do you want me to guess?
Pardon?
Do you want me to guess? I'm going to guess, and then I want you to guess. How much do you think it is?
9 inches.
12 3/4. How are you going to do it?
It's like
Come down over here.
13 and a half inches.
No, come over here.
It's more than a foot.
So you want to stick it in the snow.
Okay.
Oh, you're hitting something. You're hitting too much snow. Can you go down more? Take that down, and then you can go against the edge.
Okay.
Half?
Almost a foot.
It's a lot.
I'm gonna say a foot.
A foot?
Yeah, solid foot.
It's more than 9 inches. Nice measuring. Don't trip on all the snow.
It's so deep it went in my boot.
Shoulder check.
I can't see. Can I go all the way back and then do it again?
It doesn't matter because it's going to take multiple passes because there's so much snow. such a slow plower. So if you want it lifted up a bit, you can push further. But you have to do that as you're moving. You gotta like feather it in there. No, keep lifting it as you go forward. Two things at once. See?
No, that's good. Hey, isn't it just gonna push it over there?
See how the plow is angled?
Yeah.
You should be doing this side. So it pushes it towards the angle.
Yeah, that's the kind of like.
I'm gonna angle the blade more. Do you want to do it?
Nope.
Do you want to just keep going this way? Direction?
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. So what should I do?
Leave it, back up to the side where I'm standing.
Okay. What happened?
He broke the cable.
I didn't.
The cable broke.
Oh, shoot.
Careful, sharp.
Yep, that's a problem.
So I gotta go get a new piece like this.
Yeah.
To reconnect that. Hopefully they got what we need.
Okay. It's snowing harder now.
Yep. Search term to find.
What's your search term?
Connecting a broken cable. Do you know how many different types of cable? Steel cable repair?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it is, eh? Crimping. Steel cable crimping.
That's what you want.
They don't have a crimp though. It looks like you need a tool.
Oh my goodness.
uh,
You don't have a crimper?
oh, here we go. Look at this little maneuver. How to work with wire rope. Wire rope it's called. I just thought it was steel cable.
Don't tell.
I guess I could just loop it back over and do this without that metal piece. Because I have the hook. That's what I'm gonna do. That's all I need. Oh, that's good. That's done now.
We got a new problem.
Oh no!
The cable from on the winch on our plow snapped. And push. Get two. Oh my god, I have an egg in my pocket.
Don't break your egg, babe. Hi.
It's okay. He's just going to see the chickens. Heidi loves to go see the chickens. Come Come on, bud. We'll go check on him in a minute. Come on. Good boy.
So we got a clean one. Watch your eyes.
Come here, Glidey. Come here.
We'll do this
Hi, Glide.
through.
Cutie.
This through. We're gonna double it. Make it stronger.
Okay.
So we're gonna go like this. Pull this around more. I need some sort of pliers or something. I thought that was one of your chickens.
They're all gonna get going.
So I think what I can do is get this a little tighter. Sit after. It's cold again, like colder than it was.
Yeah. It's gonna continue to get colder as the day goes by. I don't even know what time it is. 3, 4?
No idea. Our homestead consists mostly of dogs.
And chickens so far. Look how much snow I have on my mitt just from holding the camera
I know.
for the last 5 minutes. Ooh,
That worked, hey?
yeah.
I didn't really know what I was gonna do, so go with that. Act like I planned it.
You did. Look how much snow you have on you. Oh my gosh. It did not snow this much last year.
No?
No, not at one time.
No, not at one time.
Maybe over the course of the whole winter.
Because then when I suck it in, it should be like pretty obvious that we're there. Next thing to break is this. Rollers.
Well, I hope it's not me that does it.
All right. That on. That through. Cotter pin.
Are we back in action?
Yeah, just gotta lower the winch. Okay. We did it.
It is dumping. Oh my gosh. By the time we're done plowing, we're gonna have to plow again.
I know. I should probably put the doors on, but it's like...
If you were gonna ever have the doors on, I think this would be the time. Chicken check. One of many today. Bringing them some warm water. Is it steaming? Alright, so it's just coming down here. Like, this is absolutely nuts. The roof of the chicken coop. The gate to going in there. I just shoveled this. Anyway, we're going to give some water to the chickens. Check on them again. Hey guys. You surviving? It's definitely warmer in here. The insulation looks real good. Hey. Hey. Hi. Are you keeping each other warm? Huh? I'm going to put a little bit of heat on for you guys tonight, okay? Just a touch. Just to keep you from freezing your butts off. Keep Pokey from freezing his comb. Looks like you're eating all your snacks. That's good. That's good. Well, I'll tell you what, guys. It's warmer in here than it is outside. So, pretty great. Okay, come check on you later. It's getting heavier.
All you need to do is do this in your bikini and we'll get 1 million views.
Yeah, I know. It's not crazy as that. It's just not stopping snowing. Bob's taxi is cooling down. It overheated.
Overheated.
Yeah, I don't know how much plowing we're gonna get done today.
Oh, I tried to go back. I couldn't get out of our yard over there. I got stuck.
This is
But-
insane.
Yeah.
We got a good part of it done though.
Yeah, but I really want to get back in the crown and like try to get it because we have like 3 more months of winter.
I know, and we have to walk the dogs. Yeah, this snow is just not stopping.
Yeah, it is. Wet stachio.
Oh. Well, we got this main part done behind me where we drive in and out.
Yeah, it does the driveway no problem. It's when you got to push like on all the uneven ground.
Yeah,
That's what the problem is.
I know. Are you gonna still do like over there?
That's
Like the
done.
way out?
It's all done.
It's all done? Yeah. Truth be told, I did plow yesterday
Yes, you did.
a little bit to
Good job.
surprise James. Before we got another like 6 inches of snow. I didn't film it because you probably wouldn't believe me even if I did. Because there's just so much snow.
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, I think we're going to end the video here, but just so you guys know, if you don't hear from us for a while, it's because we're snowed in. We'll probably still film. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.